So today we're responding to a call of a possibly intoxicated person who's made his way off of the road and behind a residential property. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. So I see his tire tracks. Roger that. He's back here. Yeah, it looks like the suspect's truck right up ahead there. Let's go pull up, see what's going on. Temple. All right, let's get this guy.
Oh, hey, sir, how's it going?
Not much. How you doing?
All right, I got a few complaints. Can you go ahead and step out the vehicle for me, sir?
I don't think so. I
And
didn't do nothing wrong.
I insist you go ahead and step out for me. Come on.
Oh, God damn it.
Step out. You been drinking?
No, sir. I've not been drinking.
So what it is?
Don't worry about it. It's decoration.
All right, go ahead and put your hands on the hood for me, sir.
All right.
Right there. That's good. You got any weapons on you?
Nope. I ain't got shit. I ain't done nothing wrong. Why are you harassing me?
What is this for?
That's for eating. I ain't done nothing wrong.
Hey, you ain't been drinking, you said.
That's decoration.
Okay. We got two different definitions of decoration.
That's right.
What the hell is this?
That is my cellular device.
You get long distance on it?
Sometimes I like to call my grandma on evenings.
Yeah, you're gonna have to show me how this works.
It's a phone. Hey!
Oh,
Hey!
hey,
Hey, that's my
What is
oatmeal.
this?
That's my oatmeal. Leave my oatmeal alone. Hey! No, that's my oatmeal.
Okay.
That's my midday snack. What's wrong with you?
Anything else on you?
No? I'm getting very angry now. I ain't done nothing wrong. I tell you what. Fuck this.
Hey,
Screw this. I tell you what. Forget you. I'm out of
hey,
here.
I wouldn't advise that. Hey,
Come on.
you better get back here. Hey, get out of the truck. Get out of the truck, sir. This is not in your best interest. Hey, stop! Get back here! Boy, you about to ride the lightning! Taser! 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 Stay down! Stay down! Better delete this footage. Only got one question for you. Would you like to buy an extended warranty for your car?
Screw you.
Son of a bitch!